I thought I'd show you my fire pit. We're staying in the woods, yeah, and this is how we do it in the woods. So I had a fire last night and then shut the fire down by putting this steel plate on it and loads of these little sticks just before I shut it down last night, and it holds the heat in there. These basically turn to charcoal. Sometimes you can just blow on it. Sometimes I'd need to put a little bit of paper, but yeah, that's still really hot. I'll blow it and see if I can get anything out. Yeah, you can see it's still there. There it is. So yeah, that was, I don't know, 18 hours later, and it really doesn't take much. You just blow on it and it starts up again. When you shut it down, you just throw this plate on it and then it's all safe, ready for the next day. Oh yeah, the bottom of it is half a beer barrel, so it's airtight once the lid goes on. And it's really good for cooking if you just